After a number of New Mexico universities have been embroiled in hazing scandals, today lawmakers debated a bill that would criminalize hazing. News 13's Jessica Barron is live in the Newsplex with the details.
The bill is backed by the New Mexico Department of Justice, who says hazing has become a growing problem across the country.
This is no longer acceptable behavior. We have to take a stand. We have to treat it seriously, and we have to have accountability inside of these institutions.
New Mexico Attorney General Raul Torres says it's time to establish tougher laws around hazing in colleges and universities. He's backing a bill that would create specific crimes ranging from a misdemeanor for failing to report hazing to a second-degree felony for hazing resulting in death. The bill would also require higher education institutions to create a hazing code of conduct to provide anti-hazing education and establish a prevention committee. In 2023, the New Mexico State University's men's basketball team faced hazing allegations, which later led to a lawsuit and an $8 million settlement. The father of one of the victims spoke in support of the bill.
I totally stand in support of this bill, as it will hopefully protect students like my son, who are trying to get the most out of their college experience without being harmed.
People who oppose the bill say it's overkill, since people who commit hazing can already face other charges.
While we understand the goal of keeping young people safe, further criminalization is not the answer. There are a myriad of laws already codified in New Mexico that can be used to charge someone for alleged conduct that underlies hazing.
Democratic Senator Antonio Maestas is the lead sponsor on the bipartisan bill. He argues this bill addresses loopholes in current laws.
Theoretically, you can charge battery, sexual assault. That doesn't really apply to the crime of hazing, which has a voluntary component to it. So we want to make sure that criminal defendants do not have the defense of well, he did it himself.
Senator Harold Pope also has an anti-hazing bill that makes it a misdemeanor, but says felony charges go too far. The AG disagrees.
The severity of the penalty should match the severity of the harm. I don't think it's appropriate for this kind of conduct to be treated as a misdemeanor, especially if it results in serious harm, serious trauma.
The bill passed its first committee today on a split 4-3 vote. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Jessica. The bill also initially applied to public schools, but it was amended during the hearing to remove that language and only apply to higher ed.